uh, the establishment that was applied by the owner ay junk shop.
Yes, Your Honor.
So can you kindly submit to us yung dokumento na in-apply nila? Kasi again, kung titingnan po natin yon, hindi naman siya ang laki nung area, no? So we wanted to see yung application nung proponent nung establishment ng junk shop para ma-establish namin po yung I think yung pagsisinungaling nyo dito, no? Kasi during that time, the last time, hindi namin naabot yung hindi na kami umabot sa iyo, but having in our minds that you were lying in the last hearing. But now that you are insisting that yung in-apply nila is a junk shop for that matter, submit to us that indeed the clearance that was gotten from you is a junk shop. Meron ka ba nun?
Your Honor, I'm sorry po. Kamali ako nung pagsagot nun.
Ano ba sagot mo dati?
Junk shop po, Your Honor.
O tapos ngayon, ano sagot mo ngayon?
Bali, meron siya, recycling, Your Honor.
O so iba na ngayon, recycling na. I will
Yes, Your
yield to Deputy Speaker.
Mr. Chairman, sorry, medyo lost ako dito. Bakit nandito si Kapitan ng Lagundi? Ano ba pinag-uusapan natin dito kasi hindi ko alam. Anong...
Ano yan, Mr. Chair, it's about the alleged establishment that was constructed under the impunity, impunity 8 that but unfortunately when we saw the video presenting that junk shop, meron po siyang malaking building.
Oo.
And yung malaking building that was constructed in that area, ang allegation po, hindi allegation, but was mentioned by Kapitan David, ayun po ay junk shop. At doon po nakita natin yung somehow there is a deception that wanted to be hidden kung ano talaga yung purpose ng paggawa ng establishment na yon. Kasi hindi siya basta junk shop eh. But it was also established, Mr. Chairman, that on a different part of the property, andun na tayong mga warehouse na sinasabi. And this can be confirmed by Mayor. Mayor, di ba, if I may,
sige, okay.
Mayor, di ba nang pinuntahan nyo, at first hindi kayo pinayagan ni Kapitan na mag-inspect, but eventually, you were able to enter the premises. Am I correct?
Tama po.
At doon sa pagpasok po ninyo, nakita nyo po yung malaking building na ginawa nila.
Tama po, Mr. Chair.
At during sa inyo pong conversation with us in the last hearing, na-establish po natin that wala pong building permit or issuance of any permit coming from the city engineer and the building officials office. Yung pong ating tinatawag na OBO.
Meron po silang in-apply 2-story. Pero yung natapos po yung mga building, may 5-story, may 6-story.
Yun, Mr. Chairman. Ang problem po kasi dito, yung sa application nila, 2-story lamang, pero eventually nakita nyo na more than 2 stories.
More than po. Kaya po yung isang building na...
So in other words, Mayor, nagsisinungaling si Kapitan.
Tama po.
Tama po. So, Kapitan, nagsisinungaling ka daw. So, ako, kung paniniwalaan ko yung conversation natin a while ago, I can establish na talagang meron kang lies that
Ulit ko po, Your Honor, I'm sorry po, nagkamali ako nung sagot nun. So ngayon po, recyclable talaga siya, recycling.
So, nung unang dinala sa iyo yung mga documents, meron yan, yung mga development plan, yung proposal. So, ang sinabi sa iyo is recycling, hindi junk shop.
Yes, Your Honor.
Bakit sinabi yung junk shop nung nakaraang hearing?
Nagkamali po ako ng sagot, Your Honor. I'm sorry po.
Okay. So ako I will accept your apology, But next time, please, refrain from lying, Kasi we will be compelled to, alam mo na, to protect the integrity of this committee, to cite you in contempt, So next time na magsisinungaling ka, we will be citing you in contempt kasi nakaisa ka na, ha?
Yes, Your Honor.
Congressman
Thank you.
Fernandez.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Just 1 minute suspension. Okay, session resumed.
Okay,
Congressman
Mr. Chair,
Fernandez, please
since
proceed.
the issue of the barangay captain of Mexico? Mexico ba ta? Lagundi. And in the next hearing, we will be discussing the next week on my committee the
A different issue.
different issue pertaining to Pogo establishment. So we'll be inviting you in the next hearing on my committee. So I will be refraining from asking questions to the other resource speaker. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
I think, Mr. Chairman, you have to invite also that, what's that? Infinity 8 ba yun? Para at least marinig din natin based on what is the result of the inspection between the provincial government and the municipal government, di ba? So para isa na lang dun sa committee mo kung halimbawa. Salamat po, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, thank you, Congressman Fernandez and Congressman Gonzales. Is there anything else that the members would
Mr.
like
Chairman,
to?
just
Okay.
rejoinder doon sa kay Renalyn Solomon. Mr. Chairman, now the signature appears in this document was confirmed by the engineer, by record sila, no, doon sa application ng permits, no. So confirm na, Mr. Chairman, that this Renalyn Solomon Ong, which is the associate of Willie Ong, siya talaga yung person na pinakita ni PD. At the same time, yung signature niya appears to be correct. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, thank you, Congressman Paduano. So anything else from the members? Okay, so as I earlier said, we have exhaustively discussed a lot of things today. In the next hearing, we still expect that the resource persons that we invited today to cooperate with the committee until we finally conclude this hearing on the resolution filed by the Senior Deputy Speaker. Is there any motion?
Mr. Chair,
Congressman Akop?
may I move that we suspend the hearing? So move, Mr. Chair.
There is a motion to suspend the hearing, duly seconded, and hearing no objection, the hearing is now suspended. So again, I'd like to thank all our resource persons for your attendance today, and hopefully in this next hearing, you will still be present. Thank you.